Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove your screen protector or case, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your screen protector is going off the bezel and going onto the screen, if it's touching the screen, then what can happen is either a ghost touch just like this, so it will click always in the same place, as you guys can see, so it will look like this. Now, of course, it can be a bit rare, so it should be like this, so it's slower, much slower. Now, if that's the case, then remove it. And for the screen protector, if it's going off the screen to the, let's say, size of edges of the phone, then that also can mean that your screen has problems with the ghost touch because of it. So remove it if that's also the case. If not, then what you guys want to do first is clean your screen to remove any debris, moisture, and fingerprints. So I got the microfiber cloth right here. Now we're gonna give the screen a few swipes so it's beautiful and shiny, as you guys can see. Now it's clean, and what you want to do now is restart our phone. So this is very important, and we're gonna do the force restart method. So hold the power button for 3 seconds. Now hold the power button and the volume down button. Sorry, let me hold it again. Don't just ignore the screenshot right here. Now you need to hold it for 10 seconds to force restart the device. Now we can let go once we hear a vibration coming in. And now I heard it. Now the phone is turning back on. So I'll see you guys in a second once it turns back on. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is update your software. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter the password, go over into the settings, and now in those settings we're gonna scroll down until we see system and updates. Here we're gonna tap onto software update, and now it's updating. So not exactly updating, but it's checking for updates. If you got one, then you can click the button on the bottom to start downloading and installing the latest version. So my version is the latest one right now, so there's nothing to update. But if you got an update to do, make sure to do it fast, because it's very important to get rid of any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.